I got 2 last to my credit.
Oh, that's cruel.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Talk about me hesitating.
Cut! Cut! Low, bro.
I did the same thing, went 2 feet. Shotgun's over here.
Yeah. I got a 219. I was, no, 221. I had 19 seconds left
That
before I
second
timed
slug
out.
was like, boom! It was like, Katie barred the door.
It was not a low recoil on that one.
Good job. Thank you.